Hi family, good morning. Welcome to a new day. Today is day 2 of our trip and we are currently going for breakfast. After breakfast, I'm going to be showing you the room tour, and also the tour of the surrounding and how it looks like. This place is beautiful. So grab your coffee, buckle up, and let's get on this video. It's a beautiful morning and it's actually rained last night, so the weather is brilliant. It's just the bright weather. So these are the beautiful pathways to the restaurant and around the hotel. So let's go for breakfast. Good morning, it's the two guys and we are exploring together. This is the hotel. I love how it looks, and the greenery is everything. And then we have this stream going all the way up, palm trees, and we've already had our breakfast. Let me take you here so that you see a very big baobab tree. Oh my gosh, I wonder how old this one is. It goes all the way up and it's very huge. Let's get a close up. Yippee! Oh, super huge. Let me take you there. These are the rooms. This is my room, and it's super amazing. Look at that crazy tree. That's the hotel. It's so green here, and the last couple of days it has been raining. Can you imagine a whole truck of tree? Hello. And this is the surrounding showers, or taking a shower after you come out. So today we're gonna be exploring. The background noises are the beach games. They have already started, but first let's see the room tour, and then we get right into it. This is the walkway to the rooms, and they have 4 types of room categories. They have garden, family, beachfront, and beachfront suites. So ours is a garden view, and I'm gonna be showing you how it looks like inside. Let's do it. I have decided to insert the clip of the first time us seeing the room. Here is a beautiful painting, and some instructions there. Here is the wardrobe and a safe over there, but you have to pay for the safe for you to use it, which was a bummer for me. And we have air conditioner that works, and this is the washroom, cloakroom. We have the bathroom over there, the bath towels, plenty of them, the wash basin, and the toilet over there with tissues. Of course, there's a flask there that was storing brushing teeth, water, and this is the bathroom. Good shower, very good hot water all the time, which is amazing. The shower was decent enough. Wash basin works, glass there, and these are the soaps and shampoos over there. Our room was so basic compared to other hotels. You have to pay an extra charge for you to use the safe. There is no TV in the room, and there is also no tea or coffee making sachets and the hot water jug. So yeah, that was a little bit different. So if you're looking for those facilities, definitely don't choose the room that we chose, because you won't have any of that. The fan on the bed also works, which was super amazing. And we also had this little balcony with some chairs, so you can chill outside, which is super amazing. Just applying sunscreen because it's so hot. You can't still with makeup because it's melting away though. So Team Natural today. My hair is out and we are exploring. People are chilling on the beach. Super cool. Let's see what people are doing here. People enjoying the sunbeds. It's full. It's full. We come chill here, and that's the beach over there. Such a beautiful place. Shower area. Baby pool. And people doing games at the pool. Yeah. And other people drinking. Yay. There is a bar by the pool where you can order drinks the whole day. We just want to chill today, enjoy the sunbeds, have some madafu, and also enjoy the drinks. The hotel has an all-inclusive package, which is super amazing. And yeah, we're gonna do that, and maybe later we can also enjoy some massage because they have massage here in the hotel as well. I'll show you the boutique and also the massage area. Yep. Oh, Papillon Lagoon.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that's amazing. Yippee. Yeah. Yeah. Boutique. And this is the parking. Walking around the hotel is definitely a good exercise, and I'm loving it when I'm showing you around. So yeah, let's continue with our stroll.
today because but tomorrow you do nothing.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we will text you. Okay. Yeah. It's lunchtime over there. It's the lunch break. And we are having lunch over here. I'm having fresh juice. Delicious. And my best half is having a beer. Also here I have a portion of rice. Very delicious fish. Fresh fish. And everything else. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'll catch you later. Yippee, yippee. Oh my goodness.
This is the feet or legs that used to lift the food to the mouth.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
The sea urchin are very dangerous if you have no shoes. Yes. But for us, we know how to hold them. Yes.
Honey.
Yes, my love.
Oh, that's the mouth.
Yeah, the mouth 50. Used to feed the grass and soft coral. Yes.
Ooh.
Say hello to mommy.
Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy.
Hooligans are done from India, Asia, the whole Harbour.
That's a good one. No, I can't even focus on the food.
Mr. Coconut.